Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to IGA Galleria. Today we have a very special guest with us. We have Gayatri Deshpande. Hello Gayatri.
Hello, namaste.
Gayatri is an artist. She is born in Nagpur and has brought up in Pune. She studied at the Abhinav Kala Vidyalaya and is a proud mom. She has been active in the field for last 20 years. As Gayatri says, art is an inseparable part of her life. Gayatri has had many shows to her credits. She had displayed at the NCPM Mumbai, at different strokes in Pune, other galleries like the Jahangir Art Gallery, the Tilting Art Gallery Pune, Mahu Art Gallery in Bangalore. We welcome you for today's webinar, and IGA is presenting Gayatri Deshpande at the Artorial Online Gallery. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Gayatri, why don't you tell us something about your art practice so far?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Indraneel, for giving me that lovely introduction. Um, so, about me as a painter, after my graduation from the art school, I first started with fabric painting because, along with my painting, just to dabble in different mediums, I started with some fabric painting orders or something, something that was really exciting to me those years. Now I'm talking about something in 1996, and I really enjoyed that medium as well. Slowly I graduated to acrylic paintings on canvas, though I was very much used to using oils on canvas while I was graduating from the art school. But the fabric painting thing had some kind of influence on my work. I could see some acrylic paints with very vibrant color schemes. My color palette became very vibrant. There were a lot of patterns coming in my paintings. It happens with artists. You're dealing with so many things,
Yes.
and some kind of impression on the mind, it just reflects on the canvas very unknowingly. So for quite a few years, or maybe many years, I should say, I was very comfortable with acrylics and patterns, and slowly developing towards adding some textures to my works also.
Right.
And then a few years ago, I was like, just introspecting and kind of analyzing my work. And I thought, why not, I have not been in touch with oils for quite a long time. Why not just give it a try once more? And honestly, I was
This
very
all oil.
scared.
This series is all oil.
Yes, this
Oh,
series is all
lovely.
point.
Lovely.
Yeah. To start with, I was very scared. I was like, have I really forgotten how to use oils? That kind of thing. But I guess it's like swimming. You just
Yeah,
start
yeah.
and you
Learn it
just pick
once.
it up.
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely.
So I was so happy. It was like homecoming for me, like the kind of interaction I had with the oil colors while I was playing on the canvas. It gave me the kind of satisfaction that was very close to homecoming. And then I was like, no more acrylics, yeah. Now come on, I'm going to just play with these oils. I started with small sizes, of course, very small sizes, like 1 foot by 1 foot or something, and slowly I kept on increasing the sizes to a 5 by 10 feet as well. So it was not very difficult as much as I thought it would be.
Okay.
I completely enjoyed this kind of transition.
What is the largest size right now in this series?
5 by 10 feet is the largest size.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
And has that work been displayed in this artorial exhibition?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah.
So tell me, what is the series size? How many works are there in this particular series?
Yeah. So this whole series comprises of around 45 to 50 works. The
Wow.
size, yeah,
How
the sizes
long have
start
you been
from.
working on it?
I've been working on it in Reel for about a year,
Okay.
a little less than a year, you can say. A little, maybe 10 to 11 months to be very, very precise. But it started with 12 inches by 12 inches, and that's how, like, I worked with like a group of paintings. I have like 12 paintings of 12 by 12 inches, which could go as a group display. I
Right.
have 2 by 2 feet. I have six of them, which could also, I mean, I have kept it, I've worked in groups for particular sizes because I know some people who would love to put up a group display and it looks gorgeous on the walls.
Yes.
So, it's up to the people who, if you want just one, you
Yes.
want two, or you want
The group or
six.
something. Yeah. What,
Yeah,
what
that's how I.
tell us something. Tell us something about the concepts, the inspiration that has, and the influence maybe that has resulted in this kind of a work.
Yeah, so to put it very simply, it is, I mean, I've been influenced by nature, which comes very naturally to any of us, like
Right.
any human being. I'm quite a fitness freak, and I go for walks and nature trails and treks and all. So my walks in the nature, in the woods and all, they have been influencing me a lot,
Okay.
as in also at a very subconscious level. I mean, I wouldn't say I did it very consciously. It's not like I planned a theme and or a series and that's how I started working. No, it almost happened very, very spontaneously.
Okay.
Whenever I went on my walks and all, whatever the experiences that I gathered, I came back, I realized I came back with a new experience every time. And all these experiences were so overwhelming.
Right.
Also, I could express them in a very different way because my vocabulary is abstract. I don't work in a realistic
Yes, I know. Yes.
manner. So it was very natural for me to use those impressions and put them on canvas, and it almost compelled me to work on my canvas, and this series just actually happened to me. I can actually say that. I mean, it sounds very cliche, but still, it did. And
That is what happens for all artists, no? It just flows.
I'm sure it does.
Yes, yes. And as I would say
Because
that maybe nature flows through you, and then this is the stage that it has
yeah,
taken. You are
yeah,
the
maybe.
medium.
Yeah,
Yes.
I've known artists who work in a different way. They have a thought and then they work on it. For me, it came out very naturally, and then at one point of time, I actually realized that what exactly I'm putting on the canvas, because I did not plan anything. It just went on and on and on the way it wanted me to play. And one fine day, I just realized that it's the woods, it's the walks in the woods that is actually coming up on the canvas, and that's how it went on.
And tell me something. We are in times which are difficult. We are not able to go out from home and things like that. How has
Yeah.
that affected? Because say you have worked for about 11 months, as you said on this. Now let's say for the last 5-6 months, there has been restrictions and we have been limited to our resources and even moving out from home and all. How has that affected particularly this series? Because if this is something that you have been connected with the nature and
Yeah.
out and an experience sharing, allowing it to flow through you, and you're spontaneous in that. Has the present situation made any difference to this?
To be very honest, Indrani, it has not. In fact, this form of art, my canvas and my paints, they have helped me connect with the nature even when I was at homebound. Even when I was stuck in my house, we had nowhere else to go. This was the only thing, my painting, my drawings was the only thing that could help me get away from home even while being at home. If you know what I mean to say.
Yes, yes.
So all the experiences that I've been gathering, see, my walks, it's a regular thing for me.
Right.
So they stay in my mind, and somewhere it helps. I mean, they don't leave me. My experiences, they don't really leave me. So in fact, I started with a charcoal series also during this lockdown because of whatever limited resources I had at home, and I wasn't able to access my studio. So I also worked in charcoal, and I could see that the experience of being in the nature, I could experience it in that small piece of paper, the same kind of joy I could experience.
Okay.
So yes, to put it very simply, the lockdown has not really affected my kind of work.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me something. What would be your views regarding the present online show
Right.
that we are doing with Artorial? And
Okay.
also, you must have visited the site. I would like to
I-
know your views on that.
Indrajit, to start with, I'm super excited. I'm
Okay.
really excited to have been a part of this show. I mean, to have been able to, or have been able to get an opportunity to show my works
Right.
through Artorial. So a big thank you to the team and you at the same time. I have gone through the site and I'm excited about the fact that uh, I can see how little difference that site is trying to make, which is not commonly seen with other art galleries or art portals, to be
Right.
very honest. I mean, I've been exhibiting my works on many web portals since many, and
Many
I've
years.
seen how they work. But I'm with the kind of work till now, whatever I have experienced with Artorial, I'm hoping to get some really good quality kind of promotion
Yes.
from the website, I mean, from Artorial side for the artists, not just me, for any upcoming exhibitions and the artists that you will be promoting. I'm
Yes.
really hoping that you help us reach to the kind of viewers that we deserve and that the viewers also deserve to see.
Right.
That kind of connect that Artorial is trying to make, it's really very, very satisfying for an artist to work with such a team where, see, not just me, for even other artists, not every artist is able to reach a buyer directly.
Right. Right.
So we need some people. Not every artist is well equipped to
Yes.
do that. Yes, every artists are there to do the creative part of it, the painting and everything. So if we have such a team who's helping us reach the right kind of buyer,
Yes.
nothing like it. It's the most amazing thing. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Gayatri. That was Gayatri Deshpande with us today. And please visit our show at the artorial.com. And I hope you encourage her and hope you like her works, make your comments. And thank you again, Gayatri, for your time.
Thank you, Janine. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. I'll only do the first part of introduction. So we'll edit
Sure,
and match.
sure, sure.
Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to IGA Galleria. Today we have a very special guest with us. We have Gayatri Deshpande. Hello Gayatri.
Hello. Namaste.
Gayatri is an artist. She is born in Nagpur and has brought up in Pune. She studied at the Abhinav Kala Vidyalaya and is a proud mom. She has been active in the field for last 20 years. As Gayatri says, art is an inseparable part of her life. Gayatri has had many shows to her credits. She had displayed at the NCPM Mumbai, at Different Strokes in Pune, other galleries like the Jahangir Art Gallery, the Tilting Art Gallery Pune, Mahu Art Gallery in Bangalore. We welcome you for today's webinar, and IGA is presenting Gayatri Deshpande at the Artorial Online Gallery. Thank you so much.
Thank you.